merong pera sa YouTube at may mga kaibigan sa social network. I'll be here kung may questions kayo about how to grow your YouTube channel. Find your interest. Saan ka magaling? Saan ba yung interested ka? Scary price! Hi guys! We're at Caltex in Montreal and we're watching Backstreet Boys. The channel is not about you. It's
I am in Hollywood Boulevard, the Walk of Fame. At Hollywood Boulevard, Marjorie's there. Huh. Behind me is the Parthenon. That was the temple that was built in 447 BC. We're in Santa Monica Beach in California. As you can see, I was wondering what people do in here. A lot of tourists. As you can see behind me, there are hotels, shops, and also a lot of music going on.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
In Santorini right now, as you can see that there's the hotel villas, and that's the blue dome that you can see on the internet. Hello people, I am in Berlin. Welcome to Dublin. It's a UNESCO city of literature and it's founded by the Vikings. The Plaza Mayor used to be the center of Madrid in Spain. This was built during the... My friends from the Emirates took me to the dunes. I wanted to have lots of pictures there and I was like...
also, you have to find yung community mo na maiintindihan ka nila.
Welcome to New York!
Good news, pet owners! You can still walk your dogs even if it's past 8 p.m. for as long as...
So we're shopping. Ako sana eh, kaso ayaw ko. Nag-try? Ay, ganun talaga.
Find yung community mo na maiintindihan ka nila at meron kang ma-share sa kanila.
This is how you use Siri in texting while driving. Because it's not safe to text while drive, right? Call Loverboy.
I don't see a lover boy in your contacts. Who would you like to call?
I do encourage you to start a YouTube channel and see where it goes. Subscribe po kayo sa aking channel, Marjorie Quintos, here on YouTube.
I'll never break your heart!